This person says, just keep my money in there and don't look at it. In a few months, I will be up, and there is no real way to predict the market. Now, I don't know about a few months. It could take a few years. It could take a few decades. It could take, frankly, a few hours. But the only thing we know is that we actually cannot predict which way the markets are going to go. Here we can only really look at the S&P 500 growth chart since 1996. And as you can see, there were a number of different reasons as to why you should buy or sell. And you can just see, I've shown this time and time again, that it really doesn't matter now what the prices were, back then. The prices basically here don't even overlap with any of the prices here, unless there is a huge crash that goes all the way down to less than 1,000 points. There really isn't any point of worrying and trying to time the market. You can see in the short term, it feels very fun to time the market. And you know what, if you are trying to do that, by all means do that. It doesn't bother me. I don't know why people get bothered when I try to do it, but you can just see the numbers don't lie. Over the long term, any investments made here would have been worth a lot more here. If you would like a free fractional share on Trading212 worth up to £100, all you have to do is to go into the promo code section of the Trading212 app and just enter my code JUBAIR.